I know you want to know what happened to this channel in the past 50 days. Yes, I stopped uploading videos and this happened. So this is a topic that is hardly talked about in the YouTube space. YouTube experts will always tell you, keep uploading videos and be consistent with it. And this is a fact. But have you ever wondered what will happen if you do not upload one single video in 50 days? I will share with you what happened to my channel and probably what will happen to your channel if you stop uploading for 50 days. And also, I will share some comeback strategies that will help your channel bounce back again. Hello everyone, it's been a while, and if you're new here, you are welcome. I'm your tech informant. I do share tips and tutorials for content creators on this channel. So if you love this type of content, consider subscribing to this channel and turn on the notifications so that you will know each time I upload useful videos like this. Due to some very important offline engagements, I couldn't upload videos on this channel for more than 50 days. And I appreciate those of you that check up on me. I'm sure that this time around, I'll be consistent and give you guys more valuable tips and tutorials for content creators. The first thing that you will notice on your channel if you stop uploading videos is that your views will drop. Will it drop entirely and you lose all your videos? Not really, but it will keep on decreasing, but not completely. For example, this channel has an average of 1,000 views daily before I stopped uploading. I started being consistent around May. And as you can see, the views rarely get to 1,000 unlike the previous period. Between June 11th and August 1st, that is about 50 days, I didn't upload a single video. And at some point, the daily view dropped to its lowest, that is about 614 views. This is my lowest view this year. There's something unique about the views on my channel not dropping drastically, unlike a typical YouTube channel. I will share the tip shortly. Next, you will notice that your audience will lose interest in your new videos because they are used to seeing you on their screen every week and suddenly you disappeared. So when you start uploading new videos, they will find it difficult to connect with you again, and that will make your videos have fewer views than you will typically get. The third thing you will notice on your channel if you are monetized is that your ad revenue will drop. Your ad revenue goes in line with the views on your channel, and your ad revenue is tied with the number of views on your channel, so you will notice a drop in your ad revenue. The fourth thing you will notice is that for your channel to grow back to its previous level is going to take some time because the algorithm is trying to relearn your content and a good number of your audience have moved on or they are engaged with videos from other creators. So your channel coming back to its previous level is a gradual process, but you can fast track it by doubling your upload frequency. That is, instead of uploading once a week, you can upload twice or thrice a week. This will boost your channel back to its previous level and even further. This is why the views on my channel didn't drop drastically even without uploading a single video for over 50 days. Most of the content on my channels are evergreen content. That is, the contents are the type of content people will keep searching for a very long time. Some of these videos I made about 2 years ago and they're still returning good views and generating decent revenue for this channel. Making evergreen content is a way of building passive income. They'll keep generating revenue for you even after you have made them and move on to do other things. This might not apply to all niches. For example, if you're into comedy skits, I wonder what evergreen content you can create in that niche. If you have any idea, please let me know in the comment section. Another look at my channel's analytics, you will notice that the impression, that is how many times YouTube showed my thumbnails to viewers, also decreased. That is why the views also dropped. This indicates that you are organically promoting your channel every time you upload a new video. New videos will reach a new audience that might likely become active viewers and subscribers on your channel. Now, for the click-through rate and average view duration, they remain stable. That is a sign that the channel is healthy and waiting for me to pump in more content. A lesson I want you to learn with me from this experience is that batch recording your videos is a good idea. That is, recording more than one video at a time and then publishing them at intervals. This will enable you to have more time to prepare for another round of videos, or it will also give you more time to focus on other things, that is if you are engaged outside YouTube. Let me know in the comment section if you had similar experience on your channel, and if you're a subscriber to this channel, do you really miss me? If you really miss me, give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you soon. I mean really soon. Bye.